You want to know the truth about wholesaling real estate and how much money you could really make? Now's your chance, right? So, I always get the question, is it true that you can make that kind of money in wholesaling real estate? And the answer is yes. Yes, you can. Now, here's the catch. You can actually make anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000. That's your average going assignment fee or wholesale fee. But it's very common for you to make $10,000, $20,000, even upwards of $50,000 or more wholesaling real estate. The key is looking for motivated sellers who have distressed properties and selling those properties to real estate investors or home buyers who are looking for a good deal. Keep in mind I said or home buyers because it's not just real estate investors who want a good deal. Home buyers also want a good deal. My very first wholesale property that I did was in Marietta. It was a 3-bedroom, 2-bath brick ranch. The seller, him and his wife owned that property for years, right? They rented it out. Then when their kids graduated and went to college, the kids moved in. Then they were going to put the property back on the market for rent. And we actually made the phone call and we touched bases with the seller and we made them a cash offer on the property. This property we actually got under contract for $100,000. It was in a really good area in Marietta. The value on that property was about $145,000. So we actually put the property back out there to our investors and we started shopping it for $110,000. Within 3 hours, we had a cash offer for $110,000 on that property. Now, the way wholesaling works, you don't put up your own money to buy the property. This particular deal, we used the end buyer's funds to actually fund the entire transaction. So when the investor came to the table with $110,000, we used his $110,000 to fund the transaction. So we made $10,000. I made $10,000 as my wholesale assignment fee. I say we because my partner and I, we made $10,000 on the wholesale assignment fee, and the sellers received their $100,000 for the purchase price of the property. There's several creative ways to actually be successful as a wholesaler, but the thing I like most about it is that you don't have a lot of liability as a wholesaler. 9 times out of 10, you're not using any of your own money, and those instances when you do have to come to the table with money, you're using what's called transactional funding. Transactional funding, it's a lender that's in place that will fund you the money that you need that day for a couple hours, just for the purpose of purchasing, exchanging ownership, for purchasing the property so that you can sell it to the end buyer, to the investor or homeowner that's looking for that property. Transactional lenders do charge a fee. That's how they make money, but they're there for you, the wholesaler, that investor. It's actually a lender that's in place for us to be successful. So that's one of the things that I like most about wholesaling real estate is that you don't use any of your own funds, so you don't have money tied up. There's a very low, small investment. It's rare that we put up earnest money, so our investment is very low. We'll pay for the photographer to come out and take pictures. We'll have some attorney closing costs, some fees that are associated when we're doing the transaction, but that is very, very minute when you look at the grand scheme of things. Or you can do what a lot of wholesalers do is just assign a contract. And if you assign a contract, you're just assigning your interest in the contract for a fee. And there's no additional fees when you do that. So there's several ways to be creative as a wholesaler and make money doing this business. And those are the things that you're gonna learn as you watch my channel. We're gonna go over a bunch of secrets, real estate investor secrets and tips. That's what my channel is all about. I want to teach you insider secrets and what we do on a day-to-day basis to do these real estate transactions, to do wholesaling, the fix and flips, the subject to deals. These are all things that I'm going to talk about. These are all things that you're going to learn along the way. So once again, my name is Hakeem Herring, your real estate partner, and thank you for joining me as we unlock real estate secrets and tips to allow you to master the game. And I'll catch you next time.